So this is the part 2 of my Poland trip, and now we have reached a place called Zakopane, which is the beautiful mountain town. Right now I'm heading to Gubałówka hill. The cool part is you don't have to hike there, and you can just take a Gubałówka Funicular Railway, which takes only a few minutes to reach to the top. So on the way you can get some really beautiful panoramic views of the town and surrounding Tatra mountains. And once you get to the top, you can enjoy the scenic views, check out some local shops, and just relax and take the amazing charm of Zakopane. So the best way to reach Zakopane from Krakow is either by a bus or a train. So we decided to go with a flex bus because it felt more convenient and flexible. So we didn't have to plan too much in advance. So the journey takes around 2 hours, and honestly both train and bus takes the same time and the same cost. So once we reached Zakopane, we found an Indian restaurant and had a really nice lunch there. So after that we started heading towards Gubałówka Funicular Railway. It's about 1 kilometer walk from where the bus drops you off, but the walk is actually really enjoyable. You will find a lot of local shops along the way, and the path itself is beautiful with amazing mountain views. So it's a great spot to take some pictures and just enjoy the vibe before you actually reach to the funicular train.
तो चांद तारों को तोड़ लाऊंगा मैं, इन हवाओं को इन घटाओं को मोड़ लाऊंगा मैं। कैसा मंजर है मेरी आँखों में, कैसा एहसास है। पास दरिया है, दूर सहरा है, फिर भी क्यों प्यास है। पास दरिया है, दूर सहरा है, फिर भी क्यों प्यास है। कदमों में जहाँ रख दो, मुझसे आँखें चार कर लो, जितना बेकरार हूँ मैं।
Here in Zakopane looks like a smaller version of Himalayas with a sharp peaks, fresh air, and incredible scenic view all around. So very good place for taking photos, and we feel it's worth coming here.
ఈ రాత్రి శ్వాసలో నీ నీడే నాదమై, నిశ్శబ్దం కూడా ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడుతోంది. కాలం ఆగిన క్షణంలో నీ ముఖం మెరుపై, నడిచే ప్రతి లయలో నీ పేరు వినిపిస్తోంది. అడుగడుగున నీ స్పర్శ, హృదయ స్పందనలో నీ స్మృతి. ఈ రాత్రి శ్వాసలో నీ నీడే నాదమై, నిశ్శబ్దం కూడా ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడుతూ